Before we end this program, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Okay? Sa lahat ng branches, guys, keep it up. Grind lang ng grind. Okay? Huwag kayong titigil, guys. Kasi, ang laki ng potential ng Prime. Sa totoo lang, ang laki na ng Prime ngayon. So, sobrang dami nating branches. I'm so proud of you all kasi andito tayo ngayon nagbabanding. Cheers to all. Diba? Ipapahabol ko lang, guys. Happy anniversary, Prime. Okay, 1 year na po kami. Mag-grind pa kami. Tutuloy-tuloy namin to. So, lahat ng branches, i-encourage ko kayong lahat. Tuloy nyo lang din kasi ang laki ng potential nyo. Lahat ng branches. Sagad. Thank you very much. And party na. Let's go!
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing.
Thank you so much, Prime family, for this opportunity, and I'm so happy because I make new friends.
We had so much fun this event and we cherish this moment.
Thank you so much, Prime. Thank you for this opportunity. It's not always the wins, it's always the family and friends. Thank you so much.
Party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Thank you, Prime family, for this event. And I hope everyone enjoyed. Deserve naman namin to kasi pinaghirapan namin to. Once again, thank you, Prime family, for this experience.
So ngayon, sobrang saya ng Prime outing tonight. Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako. Sobrang thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, sumali na kayo sa Prime.
I would like to thank the Prime family for inviting me here. And I'm so happy to be with Prime family. Thank you.
Everyone, ayan, maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng mga nagpunta nitong Prime outing. Itong Prime summer outing na to para sa mga host, supporters, nagmamahal sa Prime. We are Prime!
There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's